What's up, guys?
Baby girl, you're bigger than your Instagram.
Hey guys, it's Alyssa and I'm back with another video. You guys are probably sick of me and all these makeup videos, but I like them and I like doing them, so I'm gonna keep doing them. So as you probably know, Valentine's Day is coming soon. I am very much lonely and single, but I guess that's good for me because then I don't have to spend money on anyone else. I can buy myself chocolates, you know? But yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing a Valentine's Day eye look. So if you wanna see how that turned out and how I did it, just keep watching. So because this video is going to be focusing more on the eye look, I'm just going to go ahead and do my base off camera because you guys have already seen me do my base like a million freaking times. Whenever I do my base on camera, I just talk like a lot and you guys probably don't even want to hear what I want to say, and I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just ranting again. I always rant, and yeah, so I'm just going to do my base before I rant even more and this video becomes 20 hours long. Okay. Lol, hi guys, I lied. I like doing my base on camera, so I'm going to do it on camera. It's so freaking hot right now. It's 37 degrees right now. It's supposed to be a high of 39, but it's 37 degrees right now. I should probably tie my hair up. That'll be a good idea. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime my skin with a touch of silk canvas. Oh yeah, so a little update on my big ass pimple on my chin. It's not a pimple anymore. It's just a really big scar. It looks worse than it was before, but it's not a pimple anymore. It's just a scar. And that's what really annoys me because yeah, it just annoys me. And also I got a bunch of new pimples as well, so that is really great. I really love getting lots and lots of pimples because that's what I really love in life, you know? And I also love that I have to wake up really early tomorrow because I have swimming in the morning. I'm just gonna grab my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer. I feel like blending out foundation is really hard and I don't even know why. It shouldn't be a hard thing. Like, it isn't that hard, but like I feel like it is. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. Like, it's hard but it's not hard, and then like I don't know, I'm weird. Okay, I feel like I'm punching myself in the face. Like, now I'm just gonna grab the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Oh yeah, I'm a shade light medium honey. I don't know why you want to know that, but like, I just never told you guys, and I feel like that's a beauty guru thing to say. Like, my shade is light medium honey, and yeah. I feel like concealer doesn't cover my pimples very well. Like, whenever like I have a huge pimple, I just want to cover it, like, and I use concealer, it like just doesn't do the job very well, you know? It doesn't cover it fully, and I don't really appreciate that. You know, see what I mean? Like, you can still see my pimple. Oh no, you can see my bra strap. I don't want people to know that I'm a woman. Okay, now that I got powder literally everywhere, I'm all set and I am a ghost now again. I don't know what that was. What was I doing again? I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Hoola bronzer. And I'm just gonna grab this angled brush and I'm just gonna bronze my face. Okay, we've bronzed my cheekbones and then we're gonna go on my jawline. Okay, now we're gonna grab this fluffy brush and just take the Hoola bronzer again and go underneath my lip. And we'll also use this to contour my nose. Okay, that was I did such a bad job on my nose.
No!
You know what, it's fine. We're just gonna cover it with blush anyway because we're gonna do like a blushy look because it's like Valentine's Day, it's like pink and like blushy, you know? So we're just gonna grab this Tarte blush. This is the shade Thrilled, it says at the back. I never knew what it was until I just looked at the back and it said Thrilled. So we're gonna take this R14 brush and I'm just gonna go into there and put on some blush. We're also gonna take it onto the nose because we want that like blushy looking nose. Okay, so now we have blush on. I look like a tomato. Okay, so now that I have that on, we're gonna move on to eyebrows. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows like normal because I don't know how else I'm supposed to do my eyebrows. No, I brought it out way too far. Ew, okay, that brow looks actually disgusting. Oh my god, that actually is disgusting. It's probably the worst brow I've ever done in my life. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, okay, that's fine. They're both hideous. Why are those the worst brows I've ever done in my entire life? Someone tell me, please. Okay, I'm gonna clean them up with Shape Tape. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Okay, that's a little bit better. It's still not great, but it's fine. What else do we expect from me, really? So now that my brows are done, we're gonna go into eyeshadow. So first I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Morphe eye primer. Okay, so now that I've primed my eyes, we're just gonna get straight into it. So we're gonna use the James Charles X Morphe palette and we're just gonna have a look at what shades he has here. I'm just trying to think of what sort of look I want. I don't even know what look I'm doing. I think I'm gonna go more of a pinky look. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe M573 brush, dip into the shade Mary right here. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I think we're gonna go sort of like for a more blown out, like sort of smoky eye look. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this bright pink shade here, that's Skip, right down here. I'm just using an R39 brush. Sort of put that one over it and sort of like bring it out a bit and a little closer to my eyebrow. Why does this eye always look worse? Like, I'm not even kidding. I feel like I kind of want to go for like a half cut crease sort of moment. Now I'm gonna grab a Morphe M456 brush. I'm gonna dip into the shade Love That, which is just here. Put that sort of where my crease is. Okay, it doesn't look bad at all. Okay, now that that's blended out pretty well, I think I'm gonna go for a cut crease. Actually, I'll do my lower lash line first. So I'm just gonna grab my M456 brush again. I sort of cleaned it a little bit, but I'm just gonna go and with Skip, which is that bright pink shade, and just go underneath. I don't know if I should do a cut crease or not. Okay, we're gonna do a cut crease. I feel like I always do cut creases. I'm just gonna grab that same brush that I always use, and I'm gonna go in with Shape Tape and just cut my crease. You know, the problem is I never plan any of these videos before I start filming. Okay, this one's not as good, but it's okay. Okay, so I have this pink glitter here, but I don't know if it's too like light for this. Why didn't I think about this before? I'm so stupid. We're gonna go into the shade Literally, which is right here. And we're gonna try and put that in my crease. Okay, I'm just gonna spray it with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so we've put the shade Literally in the cut crease, or on the cut crease. We're gonna go into the shade Love That, which is that sort of darkish color. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit at the edge here. So that's blended. I think it's blended pretty well. Give me your opinions. Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, so now I kind of want to put a glitter liner like on where the crease is. So we're gonna grab my Urban Decay glitter liner, which is not coming out. Oh, where did it go? No, it went under my bed. Ow, my hand got stuck. Okay. So we have it here, and this is in the shade Glam Rock, and we're just gonna put that to the cut crease we made. Yay! That looks pretty good. I'm happy. Oh no, I already stuffed up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh my god, that actually looks really good. Hi! I'm gonna try and do like a inner corner little thing, but I kind of want it to be like sort of pinky purpley color. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Let's hope it does, but I'm gonna grab my M456 brush again, and I'm going to go into Skip just a tiny bit. And just put it in the inner corner a little bit, just like really lightly. I'm gonna go into the shade Single, which is this purple shade here, and I'm gonna put it sort of in the same spot. I'm just gonna grab this Morphe pencil brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Ring Light, which, oh, I just put my finger in it, which is this shade here, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes on top of those shades. Okay, so I've highlighted the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so that's the eye look done, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and do highlighter, and I want to sort of like pinky highlighter. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna see if I can do that. So I'm just gonna grab my little fluffy brush. I'm gonna dip into the shade Sister, this one here, and I'm gonna put that. And then I'm also gonna go into Face, which is that highlighting shade, and just go over that. So I'm gonna grab these lashes, which I actually layered. So I put the Tarte Man Eater on the bottom, and then I put Ardell Demis on top. So I'm just gonna grab them. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply mascara first. Literally after like 200 hours, I finally got my lashes on. I don't know why that took so long, and they're still not on like very well. Like, ow, that actually hurts for some reason. And now I'm going to do my lips. Okay, so I'm grabbing this Sephora lip pencil in the shade Rosewood. Oh, you know, after I did my Brat Style transformation and when I needed a gloss, I found this gloss in my stash and I forgot I had it, so that's really fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color. Okay, so I've got the matte lip color on, and then I'm just gonna put the gloss on top of it. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, I'm just gonna set my face in place with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. My eyelash isn't stuck on properly. So this is the look. So this is the final look. Ew, okay, that was really gross. Okay, so this is it. This is my Valentine's Day look. I think it turned out pretty well. Going into it, I had no idea what I was gonna do, to be honest, but when do I ever? But I think it turned out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. I just want to end this video here, so if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, just give it a thumbs up anyway, because why not? Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and turn the post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll put them right here. So you can go look at them and follow me and memorize those or whatever. And they'll also be in the description, so if you want to go tap on them and follow me. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I know that's part of the social media thing, but I'm really active on Instagram, and yeah, there'll be some photos of this look if you want to go double tap on those. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.